Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat moringa leaves. First, let's understand their incredible benefits. Moringa leaves are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus essential minerals like iron and calcium. They offer a simple way to enhance your daily nutrient intake and support overall wellness. Incorporating them into your meals is easier than you might think, and we'll explore several delicious methods to enjoy this superfood. Once you have fresh moringa, proper preparation is key. Begin by washing the leaves thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, gently strip the small leaves from their fibrous stems. You can then use these vibrant green leaves whole or chop them finely, depending on your recipe. This simple step ensures your moringa is ready for cooking. Moringa leaves are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can easily add fresh leaves to your morning smoothie, toss them into a vibrant salad, or stir-fry them with other vegetables. For a cooked option, simply steam or lightly sauté them much like you would spinach. Don't forget dried moringa powder, which blends seamlessly into soups, stews, or even baked goods for an extra nutritional punch. When incorporating moringa into your daily routine, it's best to start small, perhaps with 1/4 of a cup of fresh leaves or 1 teaspoon of powder. You can gradually increase this amount as your body adjusts. Another delightful way to enjoy moringa is by making a simple tea, steeping the leaves in hot water. This superfood offers a flexible and easy addition to your healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.